afternoon, first graders, or good morning, depending on when you are doing your e-learning. Today, you're going to be doing an activity in Spelling City for your OG work. Once you log into Spelling City with your username and password that I've given you, you're going to select Lists and Games. And the games that you're going to play focus on the OG words that you practiced yesterday. So once you see this screen, go over and select Games. The first must-do game that I want you to do is called Sorted Out Vowels. Select that. You will watch a short video introduction and then do a game.
Vowels are very special letters because they can all make two sounds. A long vowel says its name. A, E, I, O, and U. A short vowel says its sound. A, it, and Sometimes, though, vowels are pesky and they team up to make other sounds, like oo, ow, oi, and r. Sort each word into short, long, or pesky vowels by the sound of the highlighted vowel. Sort the word enough.
So you will click this word, enough, and you will drag it in to the appropriate box. Does it make a long vowel sound, a short vowel sound, or a pesky vowel sound?
Where does the highlighted vowel go?
And you will keep sorting words that appear in this box until all your stars at the top of your screen are filled. So each time you get a word correct, a star will appear in the box above. After you finish the Sorted Out Vowels game, I want you to come and do the word unscramble. It is in the third row, word unscramble.
Ready to unscramble? Choose how you'd like to unscramble your words.
And it doesn't matter which one of these you pick. I'm going to go ahead and select the caterpillar and click play.
Put the bug parts in the right order to spell your word correctly.
Idea. We're going to listen and say that word. Idea. Starts with an I, so I would drag it down here. Idea. Just like that. And once you have the word unscrambled, you'll click submit. And again, you'll just continue to do this until your top row of stars is filled and you have sorted all of the words. Once you've played the two must-do games today, Sorted Out Vowels and Word Unscramble, you may select any other game that you choose. I heard that Hang Mouse is a pretty popular and fun game, so that might be one that you want to check out. But the two games that I want you to do for sure today are the Sorted Out Vowels and the Word Unscramble. I'll be checking your progress on my teacher site to make sure that you log in and complete these games. If you have any questions, come back to this video and look at it for direction help. Thank you, friends.